What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you as a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. I have not done that intro in a very long time. Now, today's video, we're gonna be talking about all the things that are wrong with my camping setup, the way I carry it, and the way I use it. Stay tuned, leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But first, I kinda ordered something on Amazon today, and it actually got delivered today. My phone, iPhone 11, just nothing, nothing fancy, but it doesn't have a case. Bada boom, bada bing. Now we are looking nice and clean. So in today's video, there's a few things that I do want to touch on. The very first thing being storage. Storage is my biggest problem that I have right now. Let me show you what I mean. And everyday use, that's not a problem. Problem is, let's say it's time to go camping. Let's say it's time to get some gear from the truck that I need. It's all the way back there. So hopefully I have a fix. Let's see. Hopefully with these three things and a few other parts, should be the last time I struggle to get my two big boxes out to play. There's something, you know the hammock that I've showed off in my camping videos? It's all the way in the back of the bed. Ah, okay. Last time I have to do this. Did I tell you I was in a parking lot doing all this? What I'm trying to do here is push everything in and be able to pull it out. If I tie some type of rope onto here, which was Sandy's suggestion, it would make it so that I would have to untie it every time I would want to use it. I was just talking about you. Oh, that's so nice. Is that a croissant?
It should be.
Is this going to be on the next camping trip?
Yeah.
Okay. This was not planned. I just came to record a video, and well, now I'm eating ham and cheese sandwiches in a parking lot. Okay.
It's going to be your first time trying blueberries too, right?
No.
Yeah?
No.
I've never seen you eat a blueberry.
All right, back to the video. I need to find a way to be able to put a rope through here, and then I need to have a way to have a cord and pull it. That's what these carabiners are for. Senor Drill, let's go at it. All right, so now with everything in place, okay, let's try it out. Bada boom, bada bing. This is the most amazing thing I have ever made. So check it out. Yes, sir. All right, so actually that solves the #1 problem that I've had. But now that I'm able to pull them and not have to deal with, as you guys saw in the intro of the video, climbing in there and trying to drag them out, now we're cooking with some fire. So that was the first problem that I was having with my everyday setup. Now, second problem is this bin holds everything that I use to go camping. The other bin in there is simply my work stuff. She laughs at me every time I say it's work stuff. It's full, it's absolutely atrocious. This box needs to go, but that's what I'm talking about. I need more of these like duffel bags, because I have little tarps like this. I have an air mattress in here, and then I have this kayak that Sandy stands by that I can't get rid of. Now that I'm into the whole camping game, I really need as much space as I can, and those boxes in here take up too much. It takes up the whole container, versus if I had just bags, it would be like right here, leaving all of that open. Now, if you notice, there's a lot of things missing from this. So some of the things that are missing, first and foremost, is my cooking stuff. The cooking stuff, I don't know what route I want to go, but the last trip that we did, we cooked over the fire. We cooked off some wood and some charcoal. Now that was great and all, and I really liked it until I got home. And 3 days later, I still smelled like burning wood. So question, for all you campers and camperas, I don't know. Are they all just campers? Everyone's just can't. Okay. For all you campers, if I got a little grill with some butane cans, would I still stink? Or was it just what I cooked? No, it wasn't what I cooked, because the burger smelled delicious. I don't mind smelling like a burger for a couple of days. I was looking at some of the stuff that they had at Walmart, the butane cans, the 8.8 Coleman ones. They say they can't be in heat of 125. Okay, so they can't be exposed to heat of 125, the cans themselves. Now you may be asking, when would that happen? And right now it's fine. Right now we would be okay because it's wintertime. But what about when the summertime?
We leave it in the bed of
And we leave it in the bed of the truck and I come out to a new Toyota TRD Pro, because that's what's gonna happen. It's gonna get totaled. It's gonna catch on fire. I'm gonna have to get a new truck.
Would that be our fault?
We're gonna have to talk about this off camera. But charcoal and wood every time we're gonna go on a trip, or buy a grill and carry some butane things in the back of my truck, or just carry the stove and then buy butane. I don't know, you let me know. Also, I kind of accidentally made an oopsie. Me and Sandy, right, we're camping, we're chilling out, we're having fun, until we realize that we have to be off of our campsite at 1. It's 12:50, it's my birthday, and it starts to pour. You guys remember that green pop-up tent? That thing was an absolute dream. What happened was the zippers, they fell off. But not the zippers, just the clips that you hold to move the zippers. And I don't know why it hit us like 4 days later. We were like, she was sitting next to me and she goes, and I go, we could have just put like a paper clip on the dang thing and it would have been all good. I'm in the market for that. I'm in the market for a toilet. Third, rooftop tent, question mark, exclamation point. Sandy's not a fan. Getting those containers to work was my #1 priority, and I had been thinking about it all day, and I got it to work. Secondly, we need duffel bags. I feel like duffel bags will help me a ton because it's gonna clear up a lot of space and allow me to carry more. Get those boxes out of the way, and then I'll be able to carry my pots, my pans. It is so beautiful over there. It looks like a nuke went off. Jeez. I guess that wouldn't be pretty. So that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. That's going to conclude everything that I'm missing for my summer camping gear. And well, it's going to get only more and more chilly. I think the coldest that I've camped in as of now to date is 54 degrees. But with all that being said, shout out to KB Voodoo. Because of them, now I can get a rooftop tent, so I'm going to be on the market to slap those bad boys on there. It's been your boy. I'm Outie Like an Outie. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.